I think Dioge's impressed with how much you can dig at one time. Just keep going though. See if she'll help you. She is helping you. She's going to town, dude. She's breaking the roots apart for you and everything. Hey, you're showing too much butt crack on camera. That might be construed as... Look at her. She's digging up roots and tearing them up. She's going to town, dude. She's digging what you're doing. Look at her. Hit her with a big pile of dirt. She's like... Look at her, but she's coming back for more. She likes it. Olive wants some.